Hello kids, let's learn multiplication table. So let's start. First is table of 8. 8 ones are 8. 8 twos are 16. 8 threes are 24. 8 fours are 32. 8 fives are 40. 8 sixes are 48. 8 sevens are 56. 8 eights are 64. 8 nines are 72. And 8 tens are 80. Now table of 9. 9 ones are 9. 9 twos are 18. 9 threes are 27. 9 fours are 36. 9 fives are 45. 9 sixes are 56. 9 sevens are 63. 9 eights are 72. 9 nines are 81. 9 tens are 90. Thanks for watching kids. Like and share the video with your friends and your children, and subscribe the channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon for upcoming videos. Thank you.